Volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain where lava, hot liquid rock, comes from a magma chamber under the ground. Most volcanoes have a volcanic crater at the top. When a volcano is active, materials come out of it. The materials include lava, steam, gaseous, sulfur compounds, ash, and broken rock pieces. When there is enough pressure, the volcano erupts. Some volcanic eruptions blow off the top of the volcano. The magma comes out, sometimes quickly and sometimes slowly. Some eruptions come out at the side instead of the top. Volcanoes are found on planets other than Earth. An example is Olympus, Mons on Mars. How are volcanoes formed? Volcanoes are made when two tectonic plates come together. When these two plates meet, one of them, usually the oceanic plate, goes under the continental plate. Afterwards, it melts and makes magma inside the magma chamber, and the pressure builds up until the magma bursts through the Earth's crust. A volcano may also be formed when a tectonic plate moves over a hot spot in the Earth's crust. The hot spot works its way through the crust until it breaks through. The Hawaiian Islands were formed in this way. Types of volcanoes. There are 3 different types of volcanoes. 1. Composite volcanoes. A composite volcano is a tall, conical volcano. It is built up of many layers of hardened lava, tephra, rock fragments, and particles ejected by a volcanic eruption. Pumice, a type of volcanic rock, and volcanic. 2. Cinder cone volcanoes. Cinder cone volcanoes are small volcanoes. They have very steep sides and usually have a small crater on top. These volcanoes consist almost entirely of loose, grainy cinders and almost no lava. 3. Shield volcanoes. Shield volcanoes are built out of layers of lava from continual eruptions without explosions. Shield volcanoes do not grow to a great height, and the layers of lava spread out to give the volcano gentle sloping sides. Shield volcanoes can produce huge areas of basalt, which is usually what lava is when cooled. Even though their sides are not very steep, shield volcanoes can be huge. Mauna Kea, pictured, a shield volcano in Hawaii, is the biggest mountain on Earth if it is measured from its base on the seafloor. How are volcanoes classified? A volcano may be classified into 3 parts based on how active it is. 1. Active volcanoes. An active volcano is currently erupting, or it has erupted in the last 10,000 years. An example of an active volcano is Mount St. Helens, pictured in the United States. 2. Dormant volcanoes. A dormant volcano is sleeping, but it could awaken in the future. Mount Kilimanjaro, pictured, the tallest mountain in Africa, is actually a dormant volcano. 3. Extinct volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes are volcanoes that haven't erupted for tens of thousands of years and aren't expected to erupt again. Edinburgh Castle in Scotland, pictured, was actually built on top of an extinct volcano. Finish. I hope you found this interesting.